In this video, we'll discuss running Scikit-Learn classification functions using UnifyML SQL, focusing on the AdaBoost Classifier algorithm. We'll walk through how to run the Scikit-Learn AdaBoost Classifier using UnifyML SQL. First, specify your input table and input columns, followed by the target column you want to predict. You can save the trained model for future predictions by setting the save model parameter to true, which will save the output model. There are several additional parameters you can configure for the Scikit-Learn AdaBoost Classifier. You can go through the UnifyML documentation for more details. One important parameter is the partition column, which specifies the column on which to partition the data. If you need to adjust data types, use the input data types parameter. Next, split your data into training and test sets by specifying the size of the training sample. The remaining data will be used for testing. You can also set parallelism and adjust the number of partitions to optimize performance. As with other machine learning algorithms, data cleaning is crucial. You can clean your data by using one of four methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, or fill missing values. For scaling, there are four available methods: MinMaxScaler, StandardScaler, Normalizer, and Binarizer. If you're using MinMaxScaler, you'll need to specify the minimum and maximum scalar values. If your data is cached, you can reference it by using the input cache ID instead of the input table name. You can also adjust the bytes per chunk for efficient data processing. These are the input arguments for running the AdaBoost classifier with UnifyML. Once you've configured your parameters, run the query, which will execute on the UnifyML server. The output will include key metrics such as MSE, MAE, RMSE, our superscript 2, accuracy, and the saved model name. Now let's move on to making predictions using the Scikit-Learn AdaBoost classifier with UnifyML SQL. To do this, provide the input table and specify the saved model you created earlier. Again, you can adjust the input data types as needed. For example, you can change a column's data type to integer by specifying the column name and desired data type. As with training, you can apply data cleaning and scaling methods. You can partition your data by specifying a partition column, and you also have the option to use the input cache ID if the data is cached. If you want to save the predictions to a database, use the Save to DB option and specify the output table name. If the table already exists, you can overwrite it by setting the Overwrite Output Table parameter to true. Alternatively, you can save the predictions to a CSV file using the Save to CSV option. Once you've configured the prediction parameters, run the query. The output will include both the input columns and the predicted target column. This is how you can apply the Scikit-Learn AdaBoost classifier to any classification dataset based on your model and prediction requirements. Thank you for watching this video.